Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom transition to OBS on your PC. And this is easy to do, so if I just switch back and forth, you can see Sonic Mania is playing. And sometimes this will get bugged out because you have too long of a video playing in the background. So you only want a video that's like 1 second long for a transition. This one is probably like 10 minutes of me playing video games. And that is why this is grayed out, because it's still playing. So if we go to the plus icon, we want to go to Stinger. And then just name it whatever you want. Let's go to Stinger 2. But you can add a video file right here. You can go to Browse. And I don't know, wherever your downloads folder is or wherever. Go to that. And you can try to add the video file in there. Once you choose the video file, let's just try to add something in here. So where is my folder here for my video recordings work? Screen record. So this is me using OBS, and this is the file that's being recorded at this current time. So we can go in here. Here's a video file. And then you can go to, it says preload with RAM. If you have enough storage space, you can do that. Okay, so these are the options in here. Then you can go to OK. And every time you go back and forth now, it should switch over like it was before. And it's literally just me making a video. That's why you see OBS in the background for my transition. But you can add a custom video. Only make it like 1 or 2 seconds long at most. So every time you transition, it's not playing a super long video like it is in the background right now. But you can add any video image you want. Just find it on your computer and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.